Murgasen Labs is a aesthetics and wellness practice in Orlando, Florida. We started about 2.5 years ago, and what the initial goal of it was mainly aesthetics. As time went on, it became a practice that was more wellness, longevity, and regenerative medicine. And having a family medicine background, one of the main things with my practice of medicine is I wanted it to be a practice that I'm improving the quality of a patient's life. So with having that practice and having the freedom to mold the practice in the way that I want to with my partner, Ahmad, the goal was, how do we incorporate different things into the practice that's going to meet the vision? And that's where Derma came in, because there's not any other product on the market that is a all-natural biostimulating volumizer. Cellenis Derma PRP, on the other hand, is going to give you the volume. It's going to help to improve the thin skin, to thicken that up, and it gives their skin a much better glow. So now you have patients who have a brighter under eye with better volume, and it looks a lot younger than it did before. And when you look at the industry and see what is currently out there that would fit not only a volumizer, but also from a regenerative standpoint, Derma was the one that kind of hit the mark for a lot of those things. So incorporating something like that into the practice was a very obvious move for us, because it allowed us to further move into the goal that we have for our business, which is to be more natural, regenerative, and a safe product. On top of that, Derma is amazing because it allows for patients to come in more often. There's better client retention, there's better trust, and every single time they're coming in, their skin just looks better and better, which is the main thing that you're going to get when you use something like Derma. And with that, I'm able to do more or less a full facial volumization. I can hit at least 3 to 4 areas that need to be treated. And for the ROI, it's amazing compared to if I was going to do something like HA filler in that same patient. It also poses the question of what's going to be more affordable for a patient, where they're going to have maximum results. And that again leads you back to Cellenis Derma PRP, because you're going to be able to get a full facial transformation for one sitting, and the cost of it's going to be nearly 50% of what you would have had to spend as a patient for HA filler.